If you're thinking about buying the Hanare Mattress topper, you're probably wondering if it's actually worth the money or just another overhyped sleep product. After looking into its features, here's my honest take. The Hanare Mattress topper is designed to make an uncomfortable mattress feel softer and more supportive without replacing the entire bed. It uses memory foam to help relieve pressure on your shoulders, hips, and back while also reducing motion transfer, which is great if you share your bed. One thing I like is that it's a much cheaper alternative to buying a brand new mattress. Many users say it noticeably improves comfort, especially on older or firmer mattresses. However, if your mattress is already sagging or badly worn out, don't expect this topper to completely fix the problem. Another thing to keep in mind is that memory foam can retain some heat, although the Hanare topper includes features aimed at improving airflow. So, is it worth your money? If your mattress is still in decent shape and you simply want more comfort and support, I'd say it's a solid investment. But if your mattress has reached the end of its life, you're probably better off putting that money toward a new one instead.